guy underneath. I'm going to tuck his tail right in here. Let's see. Remind myself not to tilt it like this. I want it more like this. Okay. I've made my fish a little bigger than I had actually intended, but I think it's going to be all right. Okay, what's going on in here? Lots of little things. I don't need to draw all those. So my actual drawing, the fish, are larger than they are here. So they're a little bit too dead center. So if I were to crop this, I could come in and crop it, maybe fix that. So I think what I'm going to do is put some of these rays of light and things back here. And maybe this can be dark with the rays of light here and the bright fish against darker water over here. So I am anticipating kind of a layout with dark, bright, light, and dark again. We'll see if that is going to work for me.